Dude, these Romanian deadlifts I've been hitting been crazy.
Oh yeah, is that where you kind of like, you drop like that?
Yeah, just drop like that. Like just pop it, pop it, pop it. Wait. Hold. Hey, eyes up here.
Guys, come on.
New year.
New us?
New us. Today, it's the broccoli bounty. So Jacques back from his little trip to the Oklahoma City.
I got real cold there. I'm happy to have the sun back.
Yeah, he texted me. He was like, I found an apple finally. Because I guess there's just not a lot of fiber out there.
There's no fiber out there. But today, I see a lot of broccoli.
I think you're hungry for some fiber. We're gonna get you some. We have a lot of broccoli. We're doing a big harvest today, maybe the biggest of the last little bit, certainly of the year. Ha-ha.
Yeah.
But this is our broccoli. This is the purple sort of sprouting broccoli. Certainly did its job. It sprouted like way too much. We're gonna do a full clear out of this bed.
Yeah, this bed actually seems to have some real bad gopher issues because all of a sudden the leaves drooped. There's aphids showing up, which means that I think they ate the roots.
They probably ate the roots.
A little bit
so
stressed.
This is just a straight feast.
Yeah.
And you remember the last gopher experience we had over there. So I'm gonna do a clean out of the stuff that we don't need anymore. But we also have some decent, well, you know what? You're right, this just came right out. This came out like,
yeah, there's even like right there, you could see the root actually did get chewed.
Yeah.
It's probably hard to tell, but it looks like for sure that's what happened.
So this is a no-go. Wow, look at that.
But you know what? That looks good.
That's not a bad cabbage,
and right there, this one, rip, seen better days.
That one's not so
Pour one
hot.
out for this guy right here. This guy did not stand the chance.
That's pathetic.
So, right there, let's compare.
That's called trying.
That's a bad day.
Try as you might, I guess. Okay, so yeah, there is some light aphid pressure on this Jacques. I'm annoyed that we're back in that season. Here, you want to grab that
Well, it's been so hot. Well, here, let me show you how to harvest the cabbage properly.
This is literally a copy of me, but that's fine.
Hands on. Just like that. I showed him that one.
We call it a decapacitation.
No, actually, he did teach me that one.
So
but I made it better.
Look at this. I always have this problem when I harvest a cabbage. Tell me if you relate.
Yeah.
I keep peeling off until I get to like some sort of acceptable,
pristine. So the weird thing that we've had in San Diego, guys, is zero rain. Zero rain since July, even longer than July. But right now we're at a record dry period. So things that usually are popping right now, they're only popping because we're putting irrigation on. I'll tell you that much.
Look at this.
Dude,
See,
this one's like weird.
This is why I do it.
You got a little good there?
I got a little.
I'm still looking.
Nature's bounty in here. This is the thing that always gets me about cabbage. If you don't have that nice tight head, well, nature wants to come in and play. And so when you go to cut it open, you might find a little dirty treat inside.
This is a weird one because I've never seen this issue before.
Yeah.
It's like there's brown leaves on the inside. So I think what happened is that it got, there's
like inconsistent watering. So this bed is going to get cleared out, but we do have some actual legit stuff.
Yeah, we actually have some good stuff for real.
What knife are you rocking?
My classic, my first knife that I ever got for the garden. It's the Open L. It's actually, I bought a new one.
Yeah.
And the blade has dropped by like a 1/4 inch from how many times I've sharpened it.
You put work on these things, man. I've got a bonsai knife.
Oh, dude, there's a worm in the middle.
Whoa. Wait.
So, do you see that? I just cut it in half a little bit.
Oh, gross.
I did not expect to find a worm in there.
That's
so I'm not
deep in
eating
there.
this one.
Yeah, that will go to the hens.
That's a little
That will
chicken
go to
one.
the hens.
Let's set that aside.
But here, Jacques, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna say this. I've mastered the brock.
Show him that one.
I'm a Brocco king.
Show him. Let's.
You ready
let's
for
get
this?
ahead.
Shh, don't look. Don't look. I'm shy. Hold on.
Dude, even the side shoots are monsters.
Listen to that sound.
Oh, it's squeaking. All right, ready for the reveal?
Ooh.
It's not even one. It's like every broccoli you've grown this year.
Dude, feel this. This is heavy.
No,
That's heavy.
the one that I harvested from your backyard that I took home without telling you, weighed 5.5 pounds.
You actually weighed it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It took us like 3 days to eat that one. So, and here we go. That's the beauty of broccoli right there, guys, is you get these little side shoots, and these are perfect. They cook easier, they're easier to process.
This thing is dripping.
Yeah. So do you want me to take both of these, or?
You can take that little guy.
One of the things that's interesting about this bed is that if you remember a while back, we actually started mushrooms. And if you look right here,
oh, there's
a few. We missed them. They got dry in this crazy dry weather.
It out. Look at this.
But they're all over the bed. So it smells like mushroom.
Oh.
Yeah. No, it smells like an oyster.
It smells like, yeah.
Yeah, like an oyster mushroom. And I think.
Ooh, it smells like Campbell's soup. You know what I'm talking about? Cream of mushroom soup. You know cream of mushroom soup. Smell that.
Yeah.
That's Campbell's cream of mushroom soup.
It has that. I don't know if legally you could call that bok choy when it gets that big.
I don't think this is legally a bok choy. I agree with you. This is like
king choy. That's king choy right there, dude.
I had something teed up. I didn't want to say it.
There's like a good. There's like little choylets coming out the side here.
Dude, that's a choylet.
Like a little side shoot of choy.
Wait, hold on. How many choy are in this choy?
It's choy all the way down.
Choyception. Look at botanically what's going on here.
Teach me.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's another branch.
Right there, that's a choylet. See that?
That's a new one.
It's coming off.
All right, let's see.
Little choylet.
It's actually like,
hold on,
really fine.
Let me get in here on the choylet.
That's a good one.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here. Ready?
It's like totally fine. I thought it'd be mustardy. It's even a little sweet. That actually surprised me because it's already flowering. It almost is like Napa cabbage.
But the choylets.
The choylets.
That's where it's from.
Let me try the heavy hitter here.
Let's try that big boy. Big bok. Hold on.
A little salty. That was good.
That went down quick.
That was really good.
We're going down the...
Oh.
Yes. Brussels.
You already got them.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
These are baby boys, though.
Look at that.
But that's nice.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit of...
I know. We're going to have to spray those.
Go to bed.
With me a tail. We're going to have to spray these, but they're tight.
They're tight. I know. Hey, that's tight.
Feel those sprouts.
That is very tight.
Wow, it's tight.
Here's one thing, if you guys have grown Brussels at home, my favorite.
Yeah.
Right here, the big king Brussels. You chop that off, saute it. It's actually delicious.
What if you deep fried it?
I would eat that.
Crisped it.
I would eat that right now. All right, guys. Here's what I asked from you. Tell us your gopher recommendations, and we will test them.
We've tried everything.
Now I'm serious, because I have them in my garden. Yeah. They've been in your garden for a while. I haven't been that worried. Now they're in my garden, and now I am worried. And I'm not happy.
We've tried a lot of different things, and some things do work. There's certain traps that do catch them. Unfortunately, sometimes the trap doesn't fully kill them, and you got to do that part yourself. It's not the most fun part of the job.
Yeah.
I would say
the job, though.
This is a decent brock or cauliflower. It started to split a little bit. I'm not super pleased with that one's not good.
So you could see this one, you could still eat it. The only thing, it might be a little bit woodier at this stage. I still eat them at this point.
I would say that's a good soup cauliflower.
Exactly.
That's a good soup cauliflower.
Or deep roaster. Okay, so this is beautiful. I've only seen purple sprouting broccoli before. This is the first time I've seen like a heading style broccoli that's purple. It's got quite a color on it. And this is that bed that you actually turn your Christmas tree into mulch on. And I think that looks really good. So I might come back from one of these off cam and grab one of these purple guys for dinner, but let's go see what he's up to. All right, how's this wheelbarrow going?
We're looking
pretty deep.
I mean, it's pretty dominant in one cultivar.
It's a brassica. It's a brassica. But that, dude, that is nuts.
That's crazy. All right, let's see what we get here. I think we have enough Brocco.
Yeah.
But I do think we need to thin these onions out a little bit. These were planted as bunching onions, and they've bunched. I mean, here's the thing though, look, like we've already got some onion flowers starting to form. Oh,
interesting.
So it might be just a bit too late for these.
As long as they don't have a flower, that one does. As long as they don't, it's fine. The problem with getting the flower is that you get a hard stem all the way down into the center of your onion.
Yeah, and it's very bare.
A little bit sad. Looks like you got some hangers over here.
I got some danglers. Yeah, well, I did a lot of pruning. Did a lot of pruning. You can see this peach tree got taken down a notch. So I took quite a bit off. Because
only you could really reach anything past this.
Even I could not reach most of the stuff. See this main stem here?
Oh, wow,
I took this huge cut off because this one contributed almost 100% of the top growth here and was over 8 feet before the growing season.
This is a nice structure too. It's like full, not that high, tons of buds.
Yeah.
This will probably be a great peach year.
But we're not talking about peaches, we're talking about citrus. So we've got some satsuma here. And this satsuma has finally...
Oh, this is the one that had that crazy shape.
It had that Y split when we first bought it, but I would say it's finally...
Seems like it's come back.
It's finally come into its own, yeah.
So are these guys ready to go?
Well, let's give them a little squeeze.
That one feels loosey.
Some of these...
That one just came off in my hand.
Okay, yeah. Well, hey, why don't we... Little native taste.
I'm always watching.
Oh. There's a perfume to it. A parfum.
This one is actually crazy juicy and sweet. And the tartness is like just on the back, which is actually really nice.
There's something about a Satsuma. You know, when you really look at an orange chunklet, it's crazy what it looks like. Because look, like, this looks like one little...
He's dancing.
Well, look, I mean, it looks like one complete unit, right?
Yeah.
It's not. It's full of these little polyp-looking things.
It's a sea of jewels. Here's the thing that I really appreciate. 0 seeds so far.
Not in these. None in these.
You can't get them at the store without seeds anymore.
No.
I just picked up this branch and 2 of them just fell just like that. So this right here, by the way, if you guys see, oh, I can't even hold these bad boys. This plastic here was to solarize and kill the grass. And wherever it is fully covered, it definitely worked. Everywhere else is covered in weeds.
Dude, look at this.
Oh, what is that one?
This
Did you
is
have another peeler?
I didn't think I did. Oh,
sure
gold
looks...
nugget, Mandarin. Gold nugget. Oh, we haven't gotten any of these.
That's citrus oil.
Dude.
You see that?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like spraying.
This is what I'm saying by a parfum. It's a perfume, you know, like
it's
on
greasy,
the bottles.
like you're...
Oh, I know,
It's crazy how oily that is.
It's weird that there's an oil.
That's awesome.
Okay.
It must mean it's healthy.
You trying to get in?
Oh, I'm always trying to get in.
Bro, this is, you know what this is?
I like this one more.
Soccer.
Yeah.
Soccer as a kid. In that sloppy Ziploc bag.
The reason why I like this one more is because it is sour. All right, so I think my hand, I could probably hold a couple more citrus. He's still lost in that sauce.
Every bite is a painting.
It's amazing.
Okay. We should get a couple of these.
Yeah. Without that special tool, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing though.
But here's the thing, I'm gonna give you a gift. And never say I don't give you anything. Okay? You never gotten this.
Camera, guys. Come on.
You never gotten this from me.
Oh, that's specialty citrus.
Yuzu. Be careful with this.
So this is one where you only use the rind, right?
Or the juice.
Or the juice?
We made yuzu lemon bars for Christmas.
Oh.
Slapped.
How would you say it?
This is what we call abundance. You've got, for us, for the hens, and for Mother Nature.
Little treat for them. All right, ladies. Have at it.
Wednesday's always the first to go.
What do we got back here? Oh, some broccoli?
Well, no, we're good on that. We let some of the broccoli flower, but we have so many beets.
Oh, wow.
And so I thought what we could do is, I want the beets to keep growing, but I thought we could do a harvesting thin.
Gotcha.
Right? A thinning harvest is a better way to say it.
So if you have like 2 touching, pull one?
Pull one. Yeah, just pull every other.
Yeah.
Okay, it's probably good on the beets. It's the time, Jacques. Hey, why don't you pick these up real quick? No, but you're gonna be happy.
Anyone who picks them up takes them home.
Well, whoever holds the sword gets the reward, because we're going over for some avocados.
Oh, that's long.
Oh, it gets longer.
I didn't even see that one. Legally, that's yours, right?
Yes.
If it's on your fence?
Legally, it's mine. Well, we've noticed with this variety, which I talked to the woman next door, she has no clue what variety this is.
So good, though.
I went through 10. I used a Japanese to English translator. I went through 10 different varieties. She said it's none of them.
Wow.
They take about 14 days to fully ripen up off the plant, but it is the season now. Jan-Feb is the season. So this is for you. Oh, hold on. Let me try again. Don't put that in.
Cut that. First try. I mean, it's definitely more fun when you do it that way.
Dude, nice avocado.
Operation Graft though?
Yeah.
I'm trying to save this tree.
Well, here's the thing. You can't really air layer avocados, which means
you can't?
It doesn't work that well. So air layering would be when you take a piece of stem on the living plant, scrape a little bit of the layer off. Yeah, maybe it would
not right there.
It would honestly be closer to here. But anyways, you scrape a layer off, you put a clamp around it with some peat moss, and you let it root in. It doesn't work that well with avocados. So apparently the best way to start an avo, take the pit, grow it out. That won't be the avo you want. Then you do a graft, and you actually graft on this variety, which you tried last year.
I had 3 seedlings that were going with this purpose in mind for this tree because it's so good, and I let them all die.
Yeah.
So I have 3 more seeds starting right now.
And we're gonna do it this year.
Yeah,
100%.
we're gonna do it, and we're gonna show you guys how.
So here you go. Let's see if I can get one more.
These are so good, guys.
No, that one's for me.
No, that one's for me.
You're just holding that.
It's already in my pocket. Eyes up here, guys. Come on. Eyes up here.
And just so you guys know, I have full permission to harvest as much from this as I want.
Hey, how about this one right here?
Yeah, just take that guy.
First try. You got that one.
That's a really nice looking
That's a good
avocado.
one.
Wow.
Yeah.
The cleanliness of the flavor, it's so nutty,
It's
so
really
flavorful.
the best.
Damn.
None of that weird stringy stuff.
Should we see what we got?
Yeah, let's see it.
Oh, actually, this is crazy.
Oh, that's stealth.
You actually can't tell because they look like the florets.
That's unhinged right there.
This is not going in my body. So with beets, I just take the greens off, and until you use them, you're supposed to just leave them unwashed.
Did you know you could eat the greens? I'm just joking, guys.
Everyone who says that, it's like, look, you can. You can.
Here's the thing. I have so much chard in my garden, which is basically a better version of a beet green.
Right.
I'm going to just eat my chard instead. This one, not bad. That's
not
pretty
bad.
firm.
Yeah.
That's a keeper.
I think that's a keeper.
You said all 3 of these avocados go home with me. But I'll put them here so you can see them for a little bit more. Right? So you use the juice on the yuzu. Do you get a lot of it?
You actually don't.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't.
Like
When we did the lemon
concentrated?
bars, I used, like 12 yuzus.
Oh, okay.
12.
Yeah.
Maybe 10 to 12 yuzus for half cup.
Right.
So
Do you
it's
even
very
have-
dry.
Do you have a Myers lemon?
No. Well, I have a Eureka lemon, but I don't have a Myers, and my Eureka, unfortunately, is in that area that's not so hot
Yeah.
in the front, so we got to fix that this year. So these are pretty much dry.
That's good eating, dude.
Yeah, these are good. But here's the thing, we actually get to store it because we got the outdoor fridge.
Oh.
This is the outdoor storage fridge for everything that we harvest here. Let's do the reveal. Whoa, not a bad first haul, right, Sean?
Show them that drawer.
Ready? This is the beet drawer.
Ooh, they got beets.
Not bad. We could have loaded this thing all the way up too.
We harvested everything.
So some of this stuff still needs to be washed. Onions didn't get a nice wash, just got a trim. The beets did get a wash, and they will last in the crisper drawer.
Yeah.
And then the broccoli, ideally, I think you'd also put it in a crisper drawer, but there's a lot. So you're gonna take some,
Yeah,
but
maybe all of it.
we've got some citrus going on. He's got his little pocket avocado. I'd say pretty solid harvest to kick off the 2025 season. A lot more to come that has to do with the kitchen this year here on the Epic Homesteading channel. Yeah, I'm gonna flex my little chef hands. Maybe some collaborations as well. So we'll see you. Hope you have a good season. Good luck in the garden and keep on growing.
That's good.
It is good.
Yeah. That's really
Trying
good.
to tell you, dude.